Do you offer after renovation cleaning for apartments, offices, or commercial properties?
Yes, we provide after renovation and post-construction cleaning across all types of residential, commercial, and office properties in Melbourne. Whether you're renovating a luxury apartment in South Yarra, townhouse or family home in Camberwell, retail space or medical suite in the CBD, corporate office or co-working hub, or handing over a newly built investment property, we have the tools, team, and experience to complete the job to the highest standard. Our commercial clients often need final builders cleans before handover, touch-up cleans before open for inspections, fast turnarounds for deadlines or opening days. With our flexible scheduling, on-site coordination, and reputation for spotless results, we are the go-to cleaning partner for many of Melbourne's top renovators and real estate professionals.